Having a clean filter on the vacuum is almost the most important part. If I'm using the vacuum a lot, I'll have to take it apart at least 1 or 2 times a day just to clean the filter. Whereas with the NEXUS filter cleaner, I'm able to just keep the vacuum together and keep going.
It's really easy to integrate with any of the Milwaukee current generation of vacuums. Set this right in place, snap it onto the tank, set the motor right on top of it, snap it in. I really appreciate with this filter system that while the vacuum is running, I can easily just clean the right, clean the left. I don't even have to stop what I'm doing. I don't have to move out of place. I just keep working. In the traditional, more old-fashioned shop vacs, when you needed to clean your filter, you're dropping dust everywhere and then re-vacuum the floor that you just cleaned. With this, it's nice because you can do all the filter cleaning before you even open the machine up, let it sit, take it to a proper place, and dump it out without making any mess.